this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun fold card with the Snailed It bundle. So here's the Snailed It bundle. Super cute. It's got these fun snails and then you snailed it, super cute, and then these mushrooms and a word bubble, and then it's got the fun dies to cut these out, plus this cute little envelope and this like large postage stamp and this little mail like a letter, and these mushrooms and hearts, so it's super cute. I think it's adorable. There's also the Snail Mail Designer Series paper, and the dies cut out the little snails. So this die cuts out this little snail right here, and then the large die cuts out the larger snail. So there's mushrooms, and then this large die right here cuts out this snail up here, right there. And I love this paper right here, the hearts. That's so cute. And just really fun paper. We also have the resin hearts. That's part of the suite as well. So super cute suite. So for this card, I started with a piece of 7.5. Let me just double check that. Sorry, 6.5 by 5.5 piece of real red cardstock, scored at 4 1/4, and that's going to be my little flap that folds up here. And then I have a piece of the Snail Mail Designer Series paper, and this is 5 1/4 by 2, 5 1/4 by 2. And then I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock that's 5 1/4 by 4 that's going to go inside here. But before I place that down, I've cut out the largest stitched nested die. So these are the stitch nested dies. The stitch nested label dies, these are retiring. So if you don't have them, I suggest you get them because they are a great staple die that you will use for all kinds of cards, and they have lots of different sizes so that you can layer them. So I used the largest label, and I cut that out of real red, and then I've scored it at 3 1/2, and that is going to be attached to the back of the card and then folded over, and that's my piece that's folded over here. So that's the stitch nested labels, and then I used the circle dies for the circle that goes on top, and I have used the 4th largest circle to cut this circle out from the layering circle dies, and those are staying, thank goodness. And then I've already stamped, colored, and cut out my little snail. And for the snail, I've used Petal Pink, Daffodil Delight, Bermuda Bay, and Cherry Cobbler. I actually use Cherry Cobbler because it actually comes out darker than the real red. The real red to me comes out a little bit more pink. So I wanted the darker because I think it actually matches the real red a little bit better. So I used Cherry Cobbler for my red. So let me assemble the card. So I'm going to use a strong adhesive for my stitch nested label. So I'm going to use the Stampin' Seal Plus to adhere it to the back of the card. Get it going here. So I'll just fold that on the score line, and then I'm just going to adhere it about 1/4 of an inch over from the edge, and then line it up with the top here. And then I can adhere this piece down. I might want to stamp it before I adhere it just to make sure that I get a good impression. And if I don't, I can turn the cardstock over. So I'm gonna stamp "You Snailed It." So cute. So "You Snailed It." There we go. You snailed it. So cute. All right, so now we can adhere that down. This card is super easy, but super cute. Just a different way of creating your card. And then there's space to write your message below. So you can just adhere that, and then you can write your message down here. And then we can adhere the designer series paper. Hate to cover up all these snails, but I thought the little curly Q side was really cute. And then we can adhere the circle, kind of highlight our snail here, that right about there. And then we'll put the snail on dimensionals. And it looks like I'm out of regular dimensionals somehow. I only have mini dimensionals, mini. So we'll use some mini dimensionals. And there we go, easy peasy. There is our Snailed It Fun Fold card. I'm offering a card kit on the Snailed It bundle. So if you purchase the bundle, you'll receive a card kit that will include supplies for these 3 cards. Just use my April hostess code and email me and let me know that you would like the Snailed It card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out all my other Snailed It videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.